So for part 3, what we're going to do is click on the right side here, this up and down looking arrow, open up the trading panel, click connect, and this is where you can link to your brokerage. You can see at the bottom, they offer Optimus, Futures, Iron Beam, Forex.com, Owanda, a lot of different stuff. What we're going to do is click this paper trading account. This is what I use to make my videos. That's why it's not at 100K anymore. It's down to 75K because I've just been using it to click around. And you'll see that now it gives us the trading panel. So let's play with this and really break this down top to bottom. First, you're going to see that we're trading Euro USD. We're paper trading it. If we want to sell it or buy it, you can just click sell or buy right here. Or in the top left, you can click sell and buy. We're going to always be doing market orders if you trade the way that I trade. I never use limits, or I'm not going to add a stop like that. So let's say right now with Euro USD, we're looking at this chart right here. Let's minimize this a little bit, make it so we can see the chart. Let's say we just want to sell it. We just want to call the top here and we're selling it on a Friday afternoon. If we want to sell it, we're going to click this little calculator and just add some quantity to it. Now, 1,000 is not 1,000 lots. When Tradingview is offering you that 1,000, you can see it's priced in units. So if you've studied Forex before, you know 100,000 units is what one standard lot is. So let's get to 100,000 like that. And I hit enter and that threw in the trade. Now, when you throw in a trade like that, it'll pop up right here. It'll show you your lot size, the dollar that you're up or down based on your account, and if you want to add your stop loss or take profit, because I didn't put that in. So that's how you just add in the trade. Now let's close that for a second because I just wanted you to see if you hit enter, it's going to put the trade in. Let's say we want to sell it. Now let's say we want to take our position, and you can see, look, it shows my position here in those two arrows, right? Those were the arrow is selling it and then the arrow is buying it. Let's say we want to sell the 100,000 units, the one standard lot, but let's say we want to put a take profit and a stop loss in. So we click those two check boxes. Now let's say we know based on using our tool, let's say we want to sell it right here. Let's say we want a stop loss at 14.4 pips. That's right where this is. So we'll come to the stop loss and type in 14.4. That's where I want, if you can, and again, this could be adjusted wherever, but that's just where it put it. So let's put it at 14.4. 145 is 14.5. So same thing. We put that stop loss in. Notice how it'll adjust the percentage of my account and the dollars in order to risk this much right here, 0.19%. Now, if I want to risk 2%, look at how it just jumped the dollars. It jumped the risk. And what that does is it jumps the lot size. Now we're at 1 million units instead of 100,000 because we upped the risk to 2%. Now let's put it at 1% risk. That'll drop it to 500,000 units. And let's say the take profit, since we're selling it, right, let's try to just get it to the 21 EMA for this example. That's 20.9 pips. So let's just put that in, 20.9, right? That would be $1,000, $1,100 gain, risking 740. Not the best, but this is just an example. So we're just kind of walking through the exercise here. It'll tell you the reward, the risk, all of that down here on the bottom of the trading panel as well. And if you don't want to click enter to take the trade, you can just click sell. And now look, we're in. You can see my stop loss line at the top. If I erase this tool, stop loss line at the top, just turn ADR off. Entry in the red, green is the take profit. And these can just be clicked and dragged from here. Just clicking and dragging on that price. And it'll show you that that's updated right here in the bottom left corner. Now, if we open the panel at the bottom, it'll also show you your position, how much of the trade you're in, 500,000 units, the price that you filled at, your take profit, your stop loss, your last price, how much you're up in the trade. And if you want to close it, you can click this little X mark right here, or you can click the X here on the position. It's that simple to take trades in Tradingview. I really don't think there's anything else I need to explain. If there's anything that you don't understand, play around with it. This is on a demo account. Like I would come in here, I would then try to buy. Let's say we want to buy, put a stop loss in at, let's call it 20 pips, and take profit's going to be 40 pips. Boom, buy it. Okay, there's my blue buy entry. Take profit's way up here. Stop loss is right here. It tells you. It's self-explanatory.